There are a lot of convenience stores here in Taiwan, one of which is 7-Eleven, and they have theme stores. Where do you want to go? Mukfusan, Sharky, Tabi, Whiskey, and Ufi? Where do you want to go? Oh, we found it! Yay! Are we going inside? Who do we want to get? We'll find out. Okay, someone might get mad. We are back, Mukfusan. You are the heroes today, not Smiskies. Look. That's you. Tabi and Sharky. Lots of you. There's a tumbler again. And look, Ufi and Whiskey. You were there once in a lifetime. Tabi, that's you also. What? You want Tabi po? You don't see him. Oh no, there's Tabi po. We're getting him, right? Tell Kuya Sir not to get mad, okay? Okay, let's see. You are everywhere again. You're on the ceiling. You're on the wall. You're on display. You have your own stand. You are on the pillars. And you are still on the walls. Do you like it here? Am I leaving you all here? What? Make up your mind. Who are we getting? Okay, let's see.